Hey y'all, so let's make mango barbecue short ribs with mashed potatoes using DivineKuizine's mango barbecue sauce. Look at it, savor. Let's get into it. Hey guys, so we're getting ready to season up these short ribs. So I have some mesquite seasoning. Put on here. Garlic powder, paprika, smoked paprika. And these are beef short ribs. Salt, seasoned pepper, some seasoning salt, that, and I have 3 of them, and we have some olive oil, and you can do this ahead of time. You can marinate them ahead of time, but put it like for overnight. But you're just gonna want to. We're gonna bake them in the oven, but you can also put them, of course, on the grill. But you want them nice and seasoned. On there. It smells good, y'all. Oh my God. It should look like that. All nice and seasoned. To take out these short ribs, I put them at 230 for the first hour, and now it's been about 3 hours. The last hour I put it at 350. So I'm gonna go in, take them out, and then we're gonna baste them with the DivineKuizine mango barbecue sauce. Don't burn yourself when you're trying to take it out, y'all. So let's see what we got here. Okay, so we're going to, they should be getting pretty tender. Hold it a little bit. Baste it with the barbecue sauce. Just to get some of that flavor of the mango. Then we'll make a sauce to drizzle. I'm not gonna cover it back up. I'm gonna let it stay in there uncovered. Let some of this kind of glaze on there. All right, I'm gonna put it back in the oven. Our short ribs should be done. Look at that. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and put everything together. Mango barbecue short ribs. Hey y'all, so I just finished the short ribs. Came straight off the bone very easily. I just want to cut it up a little bit. I'm gonna taste a little bit with y'all. Nice and tender. Can't wait to eat. I glazed it with the DivineKuizine. DivineKuizine mango barbecue sauce. Good, great. It's got a sweet, spicy flavor. So let's go ahead and put this plate together. So I made some mashed potatoes. You can make your mashed potatoes either way you want it. I just did mine a little butter, salt, and pepper. I'll put them in the center here on my plate. I'm gonna take my short rib meat, beef short rib. That on top, my mashed potatoes. This is gonna be some good eating. Good eating, y'all. We're gonna drizzle it. I have made some heated up some mango barbecue sauce with the drippings. So we're gonna just take it, drizzle it over. All that nice mango barbecue sauce on top. Saucy is my name. Parsley. You know you always need a little bit of greenery. And there y'all have it, mango barbecue short ribs with mashed potatoes. Okay y'all, so let's get into these mango barbecue DivineKuizine mango barbecue sauce that we use for these beef short ribs and mashed potatoes. So I'm gonna get a little bit of the short rib and mashed potato. Get all flavors. It's good, y'all. I'm gonna tell you about it. Let me get one more bite so I can really tell y'all about it. Superior, as Naomi would say. That's her word. This is superior, okay? I mean, 10 out of 10 equals 20. Okay, so we got the mango barbecue sauce, so it's sweet, and you can taste the mango, right? Like the sweetness of the mango, but then it's still like barbecue sauce, and it's spicy. It's got like just a hint of spice to it, you know, because it's got a little bit of that Scotch bonnet pepper in it. These mashed potatoes. I mean, this is a perfect meal for like your boo. You know, your boo come over and you just put these on, and you got your mashed potatoes, you got your little cute little outfit on. You be like, yeah, baby, I made you some beef short ribs with DivineKuizine mango barbecue sauce. It's real good. Now, it's gonna take you a little while. This took about 3.5 hours to cook. It's gonna take you a little while, but it's easy. You just season it up, then you cook it for like about 3 hours, about 3 hours. Then you baste it with DivineKuizine's mango barbecue sauce. You make up your little mashed potatoes. You drizzle at the end with some more of that mango barbecue sauce. You're gonna get married off of this. I'm telling you, ladies, you'll get married off of this. And men, if you got you a little cutie that you wanna, you know, impress, make this for them. Love y'all. Chef Shay, DivineKuizine.